Hello and welcome, this is Daisy. Today, as the second part of the series on how to make my own sublimation blanks, I will be sewing a super easy fabric tote bag. This multi-purpose tote bag will be perfect to personalize with the method of your choice. Since this one will be made with a polyblend fabric, will be ideal for sublimation. And the materials needed for this project are listed on the screen. Also, you can find them in the video description down below. You will also need a sewing machine thread, tape measure, ruler, scissors, and an iron. And before we start with the tutorial, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. Place and align all the layers of fabric together. We're going to cut squares on the bottom corners, using the cardstock or paper square to measure. Next, we're going to attach the straps on the fabric. We're going to place a cotton fabric on the bottom, the straps in the center, and the polyester layer on top. The straps are going to go 4 inches away from the sides. Align it, secure it with pins, and we're going to sew on top, leaving 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. And the same we're going to do with the other strap. Reveal the strap and iron by folding the edge next to the cotton fabric or lining fabric. Next, we're going to top stitch on the side of the cotton fabric or lining. It should look like this. Place and align the 2 layers together with the straps on the inside. Secure with pins. Mark a space of 5 inches or 12.5 centimeters to leave a hole to be able to turn the bag inside out when finish the seams. Sew around, leaving the corners and the space previously marked. When sewing, we're going to leave a 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. After sewing around, remove the pins and sew the corners. After sewing the corners, make sure you remove all the pins and turn the bag inside out. Iron and sew the space left in the lining. Now that we already closed the space, put the lining or cotton fabric inside the bag. Iron and ready. You may leave it like this, or you can top stitch on the bottom. I'm going to top stitch, leaving 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. And here we have the fabric tote bag ready. You can use it like this, or you can customize it with the method of your choice. Since the outer layers of this bag are made of polyester fabric, it is perfect for sublimation. And if you would like to make your own cosmetic bags for sublimation, I invite you to look for my tutorial in my channel. Also, you can find the link in the video description down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell.